How to fix BeReal post not uploading. If your BeReal post is stuck or failing to upload in your device, you could try following these steps. First of all, you might want to check your internet connection. So open up settings on your device, locate network and internet from the list, select internet, and there you go. You could simply go ahead and make sure to fix by actually going to the Wi-Fi connections, or you could switch between mobile data or Wi-Fi. That might be able to help. Now next, while you're on the same page, what you also want to do is make sure to go ahead and locate apps from the list and go to see all apps, locate BeReal from the list, and make sure to clear cache as well as storage. That might also be able to help you out. If the issue still persists on, you might also want to make sure to force quit the app. For that, what you want to do is simply close the app, and once you've actually done this, you could long press the BeReal app. You could go to pause app. That might also be able to help. If nothing works out, in some cases it might also be because of the outdated version. So you might want to go to your respective app store and type in BeReal and make sure to update the app to the latest version. In some cases, you might also want to make sure to restart your device, as in some cases this might be able to fix as well. So these are some of the ways to fix BeReal post not uploading. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.